Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you guys? I hope every single one of you who watch this video are having a great day. Okay, so the purpose of this video is to share to you guys about one thing that I'm sure many of you guys are familiar with. So we would like to share about camera and lenses, specifically in physics. So to start off our topic, camera is an optical instrument used to record images. Cameras are sealed boxes with a small hole that let light in to capture an image on light sensitivity surface. Cameras have various mechanisms such as lenses, aperture and shutter. All these mechanisms are very important for a camera to work. So now we are going to talk about camera in physics. So this is the illustration of a camera. So from here we can see that this is a convex lens here. So when the light go in, then it will be reflected at the mirror and will go into the prism, and it will undergo total internal reflection. Then it will go out through the viewfinder. So let's start with the lens. Okay, this is a convex lens. So the function is to focus the light of an object onto the film. So the film is here. So the light go here, and then it will go up here and then to the viewfinder. So the viewfinder is what you see, is the image that you see. So we'll back to the convex lens. Convex lens will focus the light on the film so that you can get a sharp image. So that is the function of convex lens. So next you can see this is a diaphragm. So now this diaphragm is to control how much light is allowed to go in the camera, and it will allow you to control the size of the aperture. So if you can control the size of aperture, you can control the amount of the light enter the camera. So that is the function of the diaphragm. And again, the aperture. So what is aperture? This aperture control the amount of light enters the camera and control the depth of field of the photograph produced. So depth of field means how far or how much the sharp image that you can see from a picture. So that is the function of the aperture. And then we have this focusing ring. So this focusing ring is for you to adjust the distance between the lens and the film. You can make it closer or further, it's up to you. So that's the image. So that the image is focused on the film. So when we adjust the distance between the lens and the film, we can get a sharp image on the film. Okay. So next we have the shutter. So you can see here the shutter is closed. Usually the shutter will be closed, but when you take photo, you press the button, then the shutter will open and the light will reach the film, and that will change the chemical on the film, and an image will be produced. The shutter speed is the length of the times when the shutter is open. You can control the amount of light move onto the film. You can control the shutter speed as long as you want it to be open. You can let it open for 0.1 second, or you can let it open for 0.5 second, or maybe 2 seconds. And you can even allow it to open for half an hour. Okay, for example, if you want to take the photo of a star in a very dark place, you don't have enough light sources because the light is very dim. So you may need the shutter to open for half an hour to collect the light, so that the shutter so that the picture will have enough light. So that is the function of the shutter. So next we have is the film. Okay, so the film will act as a screen for the image. So the chemical will react. The chemical at the film will react when it exposed to the light, and then it will produce a photograph on the screen. Okay, but this is for a film camera. But as we know nowadays, many people are using the digital camera, so they did not have this kind of film. The film for digital camera, it is replaced by digital sensor at the same place where the film is, which is right here, but the function is still the same.